Okay, we've got a diagram here showing a cross-section of some villi in the small intestine. You have the lacteal and the blood capillary are being labelled in here. Explain why the structure and number of villi make absorption an efficient process in the in the small intestine. Large intestine is absorbing water. Okay, so we are looking for structure and number. Okay, you're going to have to deal with both of those if you're going to get all the marks. Now, the number one is actually just going to get you 1 mark, but structure, you've got options to get the other 2. So the things which make something an efficient surface for any form of exchange, you need to know them. So we have good transport, okay, because that's going to maintain concentration gradients, and that's the blood capillary and the lacteal. You also have thin walls, and those thin walls make it easier for substances to pass through them. Okay, they're 1 cell thick, so you could say it as 1 cell thick walls, which is the same as saying very thin walls, but give the reason why. And we could have that they have a large surface area, which is all to do with the folding. So the more folding you have, the larger the surface area, making it easier for things to pass through. And the other kind of structural thing you could say is that they are moist. And that just means that you can actually set up your concentration gradients. So you're looking for 2 or 3 of these points, I would say, just to make sure you've got enough to definitely get the mark. And it does say explain, so you need to give reasons for each of these once you've decided on which ones you decide to go with. But what you also have to talk about is the number, because otherwise you haven't given what they're asking for, because they've said structure and number. So you could have talked about all of this, and the maximum you'll now get is 2 marks, unless you tie it in finally with the number. And basically what it means is lots of them equals larger surface area. Okay, so the more you have, the more surface area you have. Okay?